Hello and welcome to Monday's Assembly. This week and next week are very special weeks because there are transition weeks. Over the next 2 weeks, you're going to be getting your lessons, including online, work packets, and your phone calls from your new teacher. Now, school reports should be arriving now in your home. And if you're not sure who your child's class teacher is, or you don't know who your teacher is, look in your packet on the front letter. It will tell you who your new teacher is. Now, this week is also very special because we have not one, but 2 challenges. And the first challenge we have this week is Art Week Challenge. So here is some information about our Art Week Challenge.
This year our challenge is called This Is Me. We thought it would be a fantastic thing for us to use to help you show your new teacher who you are, what you like, what you want to do, what you want to be when you grow up. The art that you make this week has to do anything about you and something that makes you special in some way. So, for example, if it was me, I would draw a butterfly like I've done here because you know I love butterflies. And I've used mindful doodling to fill it in because you know how important mindfulness is to me. And some important words that I think that we should always remember, such as breathe, believe, be positive. So, this is me. Maybe you're going to draw pictures and do artwork about your family or your friends. You know, it could just be about anything. Maybe you really like the ocean and the sea. Or you think that it's really important for us to take care of our environment and it's something that means a lot to you. Or it could be that your pets mean a lot to you as well, and you want to show your new teacher your pets, and maybe even do a little bit of abstract art to show them those things. Or it could be that you do a portrait, a picture of yourself that shows us, this is me.
I'm really excited about this. Now, what you need to do is use any art supplies you might have at home, but we do have very special art packs for every family with lots of different supplies that you can use during Art Week. So remember, the theme is This Is Me, and use your art packets or any art supplies you have at home to create some amazing artwork. Make sure you send it to your teacher, or you post it on our Twitter at Newlands_PS. So that's the first challenge. So what's the next challenge? Well, we have to have a sports day, don't we? And this year we're still having sports day. It's a virtual sports day. And Miss Clayton has told us how to do our sports day in a very special video. Again, I'm going to put the website for the YouTube video on the description of this video so that you can go straight to it and listen to what she has to say about how to take part in our virtual sports day. Wow, we have a really busy week ahead of us, meeting your new teachers, doing Art Week, and Virtual Sports Week. Lots to do, and I know you're going to be fantastic at it. I want you all to have a good week and get started.